In this video, I'll teach you how to create amazing AI art like this using ImagineArt AI. ImagineArt is the best free alternative for tools like Leonardo AI and Midjourney. ImagineArt is actually very powerful when it comes to customizing your AI images. You can create AI images with different camera angles, select a color palette for the generated images, and use consistent characters in your image generation. All this I am going to be teaching you in today's tutorial. But before getting started, make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications for more helpful content like this in the future. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing is to head over into the ImagineArt website. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description for this website. It is going to be an affiliate link. So if you decide to upgrade your package in the future, I will make a small commission. This will be at no extra cost to you. If you use that link, thank you so much. It really helps me support my work. Alright, once you're here, you need to create your free account. For that, come into the top right hand side and click on sign in. You can choose to continue with Google. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Once you have created your account, you can start generating images with this tool. Now I have actually generated a random image prompt using ChatGPT. Let's see what kind of image we can generate using this. I'll come back and I'll paste this prompt inside of here. Then I'm going to select image and click on this button. You will be taken into a page such as this. Now here you have to adjust your model. You'll come here and click on Nano Banana. And as you'll be able to see, Nano Banana model is actually locked because this is only part of the premium plans. So you have to go ahead and select one of the free models instead. I suggest you use the ImagineArt 1.5 Pro model, as this is literally one of the best models that I have used. I'll go ahead and select it. In the image size, I'm going to be selecting square. But if you want, you can select portrait or landscape as well. I'll scroll down. And for the variations, I'll select the number 2. And I'll enable prompt enhancer. The resolution is set to 4K by default. Once that is done, I can go ahead and close this. Then I can go to add references. Now this is one of the most powerful features that ImagineArt provides you. You can actually select the style within which you want this image to be generated. You can pick any of these styles. Now, for example, if I want a realistic image to be generated, I can go ahead and select this. Then I am going to go over into color palette. You can select a color palette from here. Or what you can do is you can create a new color palette and add it here. Let me select this color palette. The next thing that you can do is select the characters. For that, go into characters. And if you want, you can choose any of these characters to play the astronaut that is going to be generated. Now, let's say I want this guy to be the character. I can select him. Then I will go to elements. Now we do not want any of these elements to be inside of this photo. So we're going to ignore this for the time being. Let us go into effects. And since our image is going to have a color palette, we're not going to add any effects either. But let's add a camera angle instead. Now I want an aerial view of the image that is going to be created. So I will generate an aerial view and then I will click on create. Now let's see what kind of creation ImagineArt comes up with. Now I came back after a short break, and as you'll be able to see, ImagineArt AI has actually generated 2 images. Let's go ahead and check these out. As you can see, these images have been generated. They're actually accurate to the prompt and the preferences that we passed in. They follow a specific color palette. They have like an aerial view and they kind of look realistic. Okay, so that was a quick tutorial on how to use ImagineArt AI. If you found this video to be helpful, then make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.